All verse rising soul family, peace to the God stars and goddesses. Soul family, have you noticed that a lot of the individuals from all these different species that are land animals like felines, the canines, the humanoid extraterrestrials that you see on planet Earth, for example, a lot of the land animals and the humanoid extraterrestrials, they do not fly with key energy in modern day, right? For what we have seen on planet Earth. Because I can tell you right now, if you look back at the fiction mangas like Dragon Ball, right? Dragon Ball has an energy called Ki, which is spelled Ki. So a lot of the individuals that are like celestial life forms, extraterrestrials, humanoid extraterrestrials, humans, anthropomorphic animals, and they literally fly in the sky with key energy, right? So like if you look at Dragon Ball Super, if you look at the anthropomorphic animal named Beerus, Beerus is a cot. So Beerus, he can fly. Beerus is a cot. A cot is a land animal, right? So like in humanoid extraterrestrials and humans are known to be land species, right? But they are flying in the mangas and the animes, right? Superman in this cartoon in DC Comics, Superman is a humanoid extraterrestrial that can fly, right? You know, Even though Superman, the Kryptonian in Wonder Woman, they look like land species, right? But they can fly in the sky. So like when we gonna get back to Dragon Ball, right? And we connecting this together on spirituality about how powerful humanoid species originally were before slavery, right? So when you look at individuals like Oshun, Oya, yemoja, like in all the other Orishas, and you look at individuals like Osiris, Isis, Horus, Khufu, and all these ancient melanated humanoid extraterrestrials on planet Earth, and Vikings, yes, Vikings, like literally, a lot of human like species used to be able to fly in the sky with key energy soul fam. This is super deep, intelligent, galactic, cosmo, uncle life, all seeing mind, heart, and soul eye information for your mind, heart, and soul to tap in with your spiritual realms within your DNA cells, soul family. Like we humanoid extraterrestrials, we used to be flying a lot. You don't see a lot of humanoid like species on planet Earth flying in the sky because the evil draconian government systems have been poisoning a lot of humanoids to not be able to fly in the sky like they originally were supposed to. The same with animals. I can tell you every animal species outside of the birds are supposed to be flying, right? Because if you look at ancient anthropomorphic animal species in the Egyptian hieroglyphic writings, you will see like anthropomorphic canines, felines, anthropomorphic octopus, anthropomorphic sharks, any anthropomorphic animals that are not known for any anthropomorphic animals you see in that hieroglyphic Egyptian writings that of the earth animals of today, right? Because the water animals and the land animals, they don't fly in the sky, right? But those anthropomorphic animals, their anthropomorphic counterpart versions, anthropomorphic platypus, an anthropomorphic shark, an anthropomorphic octopus, an anthropomorphic scorpion, an anthropomorphic snake, an anthropomorphic deer, an anthropomorphic antelope, an anthropomorphic giraffe, an anthropomorphic elephant, and all these different anthropomorphic, all these different earth animals you see, they're like, look, they are supposed to be flying in the sky. These animals that are land animals and water animals that don't fly, they supposed to be flying. They supposed to be flying in the sky like they're anthropomorphic animal ancestors. Like this is all facts, soul family. Like when we talk about felines, right? Felines can already jump high in the sky, and they're land animals, right? Imagine if they were to tap in more deep into their spiritual powers and get all the poisons out of their body. They will be able to fly in the sky with key energy. The same with humanoids on planet Earth. You know, I can tell you this. If there's any hidden poison in my body, if there's any hidden poison in my body from the stuff that I might have drunk or ate, if I was to get it all out of my body, I can guarantee you my key energy within my humanoid extraterrestrial body, I will be able to fly in the sky like all these Saiyans from Dragon Ball. I'll be flying in the sky like Goku and Vegeta and Gohan and fighting against evildoer demon slave owners that's been contaminating the whole multiverse, and I get rid of these demon slave owners, soul family. You know, this is all powerful stuff. We humanoid extraterrestrials are supposed to be flying in the sky on planet Earth. And yeah, we could talk about the gravity of Earth is not allowing humanoid extraterrestrials or these, you know, land animals and water animals to fly in the sky. But that gravity of Earth doesn't matter because there's humanoid extraterrestrial species on different planets in the multiverse right now, whether it's on planet Jupiter, planet Mars, planet Neptune, planet Uranus, planet Isodio, planet Sadala, planet Vegeta 2, planet Vegeta 3, planet Orisha, planet Oshun, planet Yemoja, all these different planets in the angel number multiverse. Humanoid extraterrestrials are flying in the sky, soul family. So this is all I wanted to say. I feel like if a lot when it comes to planet Earth, when we are talking about land animals and all these water and animals, and we talking about humanoid extraterrestrials that are considered land species, we are supposed to be aerial species. If we can get all the poisons out of our body, and we can amplify our key energy, aka our chakra, to be able to fly in the sky at will and evolving as powerful cosmic spiritual soulful vibrational warriors. And that includes land animals and water animals too, flying in the sky with us humanoid extraterrestrials. I'm for real, soul family. That's gonna be so amazing. Peace to the gods, stars, and goddesses. All verse rising, my soul family. All verse Cosmo rising.